Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's unboxing video is gonna be on the time resistance leather briefcase for men. It's Italian full grain leather laptop bag, messenger bag, yada yada, gift box included apparently. This is what Amazon's title has. So it's a time resistant leather briefcase that cost me $250 before taxes and shipping and all that. And I got it in the dark brown color. You also have a choice of getting it in normal brown and black. So I chose the dark brown color. And let's get to the unboxing. Oh, so it does come in a gift box. Let's check this out. There's nothing else in here except trash. Put that off to the side. Alright. Let's see. I'm hoping my big head, well, it's not that big, but my head doesn't get in the way from you guys viewing this. It's just plastic. Let me just tear it up. Alright, fancy gift box for myself. Let me just make sure that it's in the picture. Alright. Sweet. So yeah, it looks pretty nice, you guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, that shit looks fancy and Gucci as fuck. It's only $250. Time resistance leather care. Let's see what this says. Alright. A well cared for, all time resistant products improve in appearance with age and use. Your new time resistance bag was treated with a healthy coating of leather balm or balsam right before it was sent to you, so it is ready for use straight away. No need for additional pre-treatment with waxes or sprays. We recommend that you repeat the ritual treating your bag with the balm every 1 to 3 months, depending on the frequency of use. Carry a line of our favorite balm, or you can use other quality leather balms. So, real leather. Look for a blend of natural waxes and oils, such as beeswax, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and the ingredients. It will have a great protective effect. Avoid contact with perfumes and hairsprays. Chemical present in these preparations can damage leather. Do not apply pins, adhesive badges, or tape to leather garments, as it will alter the surface finish. It is costly and in some cases impossible to repair. If you guys see any ink, I'll let you guys know a little bit later, because I'm gonna grab like all the other stuff that I bought off of Amazon and just show you the combination of items that I bought that go together with this bag. Alright, so if exposed to water, allow it to dry naturally away from any heat source. Spread it over a chair, not allowing the folds of the garment to touch. Avoid very humid and dry environments, as well as direct sunlight. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can alter most wear wrinkles should hang out. Leather can be pressed. Set iron on the rayon setting, whatever that is, and use heavy brown paper as a pressing cloth on the right side of the bag and a quick hand to prevent overheating and shine. Beware that your bag may shrink slightly after cleaning, but it should stretch again with wear. Most good leather cleaners apply water and stain repellent products as a value add when cleaning a garment. Most good leather cleaners apply water, stain repellent products as a value add when cleaning a garment. Alright, I'm not keeping this, so pretty much garbage for me. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, okay. Look at that. There's like a wax seal on this. Go over there, mija. I'm making a video, okay? Looks like my nieces and nephews are here. I gave them tickets to go see a basketball game, the Kings versus the Knicks, I guess, today. So let's break the seal and open this up and see what is on here. have to untie this. So old school, but it's kind of cool. It has a kind of a cool factor to it. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. Good thing we have a knife. All right, that fixes that problem, right? Yep. It looks like they're back early. All right, it says, we wish to inspire you to see 8-timers. I gave them freaking tickets, no lie. I just gave all of them tickets because it's like very, it's TMI, you guys, but it's funny. It's another way to get rid of your relatives so you can have some peace and quiet to record your videos. But they're back, so I apologize. We wish to inspire you to see 8-time resistance bag as a canvas where your unique story of experience and achievements and adventures is embodied. Name, SKU, class, warranty, made in Italy, quality check, time resistant bag, gets better with age, like friends, like wine, like you. Cool. So I'm not keeping this, so this is for my records. Hopefully this video doesn't get taken down from YouTube because I'll be using this as whatever proof. I don't think I ever use warranties whenever I get them. I just buy a new item. All right, there's nothing else in here, but let me show you. Oh yeah, that is the dark brown color. All right, that is how the bag looks like. What does this thing say? Let me cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off so I can show you guys. Part of the unboxing experience, I try to literally give you guys the experience that I get. It doesn't take as long when it only takes long because I record and stuff, right? Not to move around, move the camera around and yada yada, and then I'm monologuing just to waste time. Anyways, dear customer, every product varies slightly in color or texture because of the use of natural products with the particular tanning process. We do not consider these variations a defect, rather, they are a symbol of uniqueness. So that's the SKU, class, made in Italy. What does this say? What you are holding in your hands is the beginning of a story. I has been infused, I think that's a typo, it's supposed to be it, has been infused with passion, majesty, and tradition, but something is still missing. We expect you to be the one to add to it with your experiences, markings from places you go, feelings from people you meet, greatness from the achievements you make, and make this story time resistant. That's the brand name, time resistant. So I'll put the link into the description, you guys, for you guys to check out those leather briefcases, or this leather briefcase to be more exact. Now let's open this up so you guys can see. Let me move the camera a little bit closer. Maybe 2 times zoom it. Move it back a bit. And then I'm gonna raise it. All right, that's pretty good. All right, so this bag opens up this way. These are kind of brass in color. All right, so they kind of lock in place. It opens up. There's some like card holder right here. You guys could look at the video that Amazon has and explains everything that it has, but let me just give you guys a little walkthrough. All right, little pocket here. Zipper pocket here. Nothing in. But look at how that looks, you guys. Inside, very fancy. Very nice. Zipper seems pretty strong. It does smell like leather. Okay, so if you guys have any cowboy boots or any leather garments or jackets or I don't know, sombreros. I'm Mexican American, so I do. This definitely smells like leather, real leather. Yeah, you guys could put pens there. I don't know what you would put in there, but oh, it comes with a little strap, so you could shoulder strap it or side strap it, whatever. So it connects to the sides right here and right here. They free spin. Okay. All right, there you go. see. This is able to hold, apparently, what Amazon says is you could put like a 15-inch laptop in here. With that, another pocket within this little divider right here. Alright. Sweet. I'm gonna be taking this, I'm gonna be using this everywhere I go. And I have like black leather and brown leather items. Ooh, another pocket. Made in Italy. Very Gucci. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but like there's like a little emblem in there. It says made in Italy right there. Oh, there's like a little cushion over here, so if you're gonna hold it and carry it and not use the strap, you can put the strap inside the bag and then just hold it like that. If you're wearing a suit, which I wear suits in my business, and I'm gonna start dressing at least semi-formal every time I go out, or most of the time. I like being comfortable, but I also like looking good. All right, so like I said, I wanted to show you guys some of the combo stuff from the stuff that I already have and also the stuff that I bought. So if you guys know what a pad folio is, this one is like a normal brown color, but that could go well with it. I'm pretty sure it'll be able to fit inside, maybe just barely. And what else? What else can I? Oh yeah, my other video, you guys check out that video. I bought a fancy fountain pen, so it's brass in color. It almost matches like the metal on the bag here. So there's that. Yep, I'll be hella bougie, wearing a suit, and then carrying all this stuff. This is gonna be like my go-to pen, like yeah, my personal use pen. And yep, I'm probably I'm hoping this will last long, but I might end up breaking it, so I don't know. So I'll put that in the bag. And what else? Oh right, other videos where I bought an iPad mini so I could take this to college and for business. I bought a Padfolio case for my iPad mini 6th generation. So it all matches, sort of, right? And then take this lightweight stuff, so electronically I could write notes, draw, whatever, and then go old school with paper and legal pads and stuff with ink and stuff, right? So I'm wondering, I'll probably put the ink that goes with this fountain pen right here. Yeah, I'm gonna be carrying it around, and I'll probably put this in a plastic bag and seal it, or I'll just leave it here because it'll probably last a long time, and then I'll just keep an eye on it to see if I have to refill it. But yeah, that's why my hands are dirty, you guys, because I just filled up that pen and it's water based, so it'll come off. But yeah, I made a mess. Anyways, that is it for this video, you guys. Again, it's $250. There's other bags that you guys could get. You guys don't have to go that expensive or that cheap. There's plenty of stuff on Amazon, and then if you guys have a local store where they make stuff like this, then go ahead and purchase. All right, likes, dislikes, comments down below. Remember to look at the description. Remember to subscribe and follow. Till next time, you guys.